Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Ndingadzina ndikadhiwa ndiduka ndisona ni mwana ndiwa mongoli ndichikorera nepo ne papahone zote zvikadito tangana naho rina thaidzo rina problem ndirage dziko vuya man coronavirus mdzima kuita zotamba vangasedza dodito zvibono zvo vamwe vati vakoto vakhelese ngori vone vanhu vakodecide vakhelese ndikwambiswa nga hezvino ngori una clip imwe ndaibona zvino nepa kayo clip ndikotovavona vasuhano ra kalamuro vadza dzikuvuya man ndikasadza ninge kailicha vadhisedzane fadha vakuivona nekoditamba nepa ndi clip inokusimbisa zori vathu vako vana ndava vathu vavodzigadhara vogadhara vabanji vachikusvika madhara namadhana vachikuliwa murenje ndi machiro ano madhuva vakubona unga rana zvinokuda zotambiwa ndi zvine rawana zori nanenge kashango la Italy so spread anga mthani ya mapungwane ojera supasi pedzi ari kutamba ngayo pedzi ri kutamba nga zvinji ri kwasimbisa zori back to the city kuti yofariwa nga 27 za April nayo yo postpone yofisira panda ka ninge nga dzi 10 za October so tikiti dzeva dzirenga dzingotambiseya chede vengotambiseya una need yori vadzumisere murawo shoponi what's going to happen yori the show is still going to go on only if this coronavirus stops yavoriwa nowana mishonga vatu vokorapiwa vakupora and then ravira kabuchiro asho otherwise hari kodzura rovharirwa dzinduni aunona zvimwe vakotovzvibona vatovipo tiri okay enough about that once again vichisidza zvimwe apa una mapungo anora kuona zori uchidhaka dzidata vatu vanji vari dzikodhura pedzi ri kuona uri MTN nayo dropa dzidata dzavo mani vodzikata nga manda vodzikata zvinoranga dona uri 1 gig chenenge nga dzi 15 za April ide kuita 99 rand zvambori it's 50 rand less now pedzi ri kombela uri minister avarisane spectrum mani spectrum achisainiwa ri usikone data dzinoni dzasvika dzavo ri dzikorova chipu vukuma ngori tonje vakodhozve mapungo odzura ka spectrum njeni nchakori costa nga manda pedzi ayo angadira mapungo alimwe dhuva risingojenerera kawo rangasedza rangavona uri music video muso wobva panora music video navori wodropiwa mala murova the music video noulaona avori is for the track Latch. Avazvidiva but the Scorpion Kings nemaporisa nakabza the small who feature Semi T hey madzina kana inoni Miano Kamudi zone so risinguzambisa zone but drop the music video for that track launch so you can check it out on pakazvachitangani www.swachitangani.co.za rakadhiva ndiduka ndiswana nimwana ndiwamangoni on the Van Rap Radio vangasvika richapandani pakane mapungo rikona ri Josie Finest ndi vamwe vaswana namusanga vacheka kandi pakazvachitangani nakadzi YouTube vadowana zori these guys got dope music videos, they got dope tracks, they got great music. I'm hoping they will blow up soon and vamwe vathu vanena vone vakhamba zori kamwe ifuti vada drop another album. I think maybe like last year where album it was digital, so they're good at dropping digital albums, so you should be expecting a new album so albuming at the videos of Josie Night, so you should expect that album. Richie Pandar on a legendary boxer Mayweather dies warabakete ya vorsia peziro kama Mayweather hoyum toko ino madivene na kurana okamba Roger Mayweather nene wa boxer akrone ngamanda ngaspinga zawane ngabo 90s yangi 80s he was one of the knockout king. I think knockout zawo yaswika woma 30 something 34 I think if ndikatombula zwavudi so osukene wana damage unavona vatu vanorwadzi boxini urwathona mini so osike zvino zvila vatu dzindwa dzeachidzirwa nenge murao dzomu affecta nga manta this guy kanda dzeadzirwa dza 59 owana 35 knockouts so orisiya Mayweather confirm akamorai anthanela mapungo avo azi boxing na mini osvika une ngongongo izvozova affecta nga nzira imwe khulwane nga manda so namusi vachorova vorova vonotova muthu ane vachipoto ngari unosvikisa 80 ngeno akadhiva mutukunyana ngori vakugidima nepa kuma 50s so rayapanda ribheka rinodemba kayo so vasongohamwa zori rari vachipedza chimwe nachimwe vaita vatambe zvanda ngori coronavirus ikodhina mani ikorikakisa okay rasidhani napungu nakwambori mizofil vadomudhiva nemuswana wavenda vane vamufuna mutakira vambidza uri the king of Van Rap odropa the official music video for that track inebvisa chipingani chamurao venda langa leri odropa on official music video vangaicheka navaiwana nepakazvachitangani vaibona is a very dope, very nice music video, so big up to Mizofil. Ravari kuapandari kozena mapungo amwe masuana ne yana khambopfi ko shumisa dzi drug na mini no so na problem ya unwa ndira zwidiva so namusa khova clean usika guy vhathu vha kha ḓi poster zwinepe zwa kale zwine zwa fhedza zwi khou affecta ri khou amba zwino ndi muthu ane o khou prepare uri anga ḓi fhedza khou ya rehab to try to kick this alcohol addiction mara si muthu nga ri wa dzi drug mini dzimbanja and muthu ane depression and all these things in zakwete around him ziko mu leader into this whole thing your dependence kha halwa the man bamdiva ndi team and Gavin ane ri tshi ya phanḓa ri nga ri amba zori vhukati ha team and Gavin una mafhungo maṅwe ri kona uri Mvenda na Sabc livhu homeboy u khou lwiwa u khou vha khou ranḓana zwavhuḓi ḓa kha mafhungo uri u khou accuse u tou nga ri Mvenda khou pfhi ola tshelede dza dzi royalties dza team and Gavin so una clip ine vha khou okay ane vha khou i vhona hanefha kha side yeneyi ndi musi wo confrontaniwa hanefha vhanna vha khou tshuwisana I don't know ngori vhaṅwe vha khou amba zori before i clip i tshi dzhiwa u ḓivha na zwiṅwe zwo itea murahu so I hope these guys vha ḓo resolve mafhungo avho in peace hu songo vha na mafhungo a dzinndwa hu songo swika hune muṅwe a fhedza khou huvhala because ko vhona we don't need that coronavirus okay komba Gigi la main ako to rafara show nga dzi 2 dza main ina vori is the Gigi gang show ya ko to fariwa na fasa mara Soweto the show have been postponed. This is the second annual the show ine vha tshijena kha vha wana uri iwa iko headline wanga vhathu vha fumakadzi kana vhathu vha tshifumakadzini yo skone ya postpone iko postpone because of the same thing vha ri coronavirus. Okay rari cheponda hapo none ra kuona zori there's a brand new movie now but it's out the movie is of Mafia it's an action movie packed it's an action packed movie unabori it's a bit of horror nyana ne pala bakho bona music movie wo direct wanga muthu ne buzofi Musiwa Makumbi na wari the owner of MSW Media ushimona Bomo Entertainment kano ndibone ba belize ni wona obvisela movie hoyo kha movie ko wana zori dzazi ko buya ngamanda man I had a chance to watch it and then I really like how it's done because it's a mafungo ri movie wono wo shootwa nga camera nti ango aenda abadimanyana bangabona dzi finals za hone ya badozibona ndi movie no switwa around Mvenda fethu nga ba Dau Lake View Mount Azibo Lodge Hollywood Resort bo PP then ngebo thathe ko movie kono zori una vhathu ndinga bomazwale rina vhathu vho ndinga Bomo Unlimited ravana mutambi dendele afho noni ane avori ndi Awanda wabona zwino madzina nezidaka madzina ziyandini ezo zwithu man Awanda Nhlonze something like that ravana na Musetha Martini Omphulusa Psycho so ndi vhathu vane vha they are the leading actors kha no movie uneri khamba zwo zwino ri khamba uri uko wanala vanga dzina kha zwo stangana they want information zuri vanga wanisa hani the movie ne you can buy it and then you can be as long as you are within South Africa it can be couriered to you which khamba na nomboro zine vanga dzikwama it's 0790400928 ba phone kana wadi nga WhatsApp so the movie is out, it's available and I really liked it richia phanda nga zana mafungori Raise K nene o drop an album. His album is out and then it's a very nice album. I've listened to it, it's improving every time I listen to his new songs you could tell or the guy is improving from what I've heard before. So I'm really happy about that. I'm really happy. Thank you very much for the album iko 1 hour. You can get it in all social not social medias. You can get it in all digital stores. All digital stores, your Amazon, your iTunes, your Deezer and the rest. So you can just go there. And then another thing right now he had a deal in Rhythm City where his song is playing. So I think he's still making dough. You know what I mean? So his song is playing there. Iko tamba nepala ndio vari mini mbiranga ri gigi chat dumrozo ndimbolo pio but if wachibona na vafenya Rhythm City the dobo mufako emberera nepala for the whole week. Okay. Arisha mnantunzo baturi panda zinoranga twamba zonorikwamba zorina gomba mikosi. Man, not mukosi. Mukosi or drop a new video for that track. I don't know the track that is causing havoc on the street. Mashidima coronavirus iko doru the meter. I don't know. Gavin duningalo. So the music video is out, but what I can say is that I accept to have done something about the hit song. Even though if the music video is not up to the highest standard, this is the starting point, and then she's willing to do more. So thank you very much, and big up for doing such a great job to trying to push your song even further with the song. I'm hoping we're gonna see even more improvements on the content and everything. But the video is not that bad. It's just that there's certain few things that I think they need to be done. But I'm really loving how she's putting in work, and then she's pushing her career to the next level. Maybe we'll have another hit maker. Yeah, Vimpi or drop a music video in here for the track Maleko. Now what they wanna. So companies for the music is now we're stressed in Amanda based on this whole thing as the coronavirus. So the event is not so which means it's going to affect a lot of artists. That's going to affect our page. Okay, and that is on Chalo B is going to be dropping his first album, this and that. So he's going to be dropping that album. So fans out the song wara album iko vazusikale mpaka mwezi wa April. So yeah, that rangadora ni mafungo rakoto rambe one. So usikale kale redodora tangana futi pezi coronavirus ndi kwamba zori hey iko rikakisa iko ridina pataizo nenga zina ndikadwandi duka ndiswana ndi mwana ndi wa mahungune, and this is the Van Rap Radio. I don't know zungusu na komlo zoro kongoro posti with us the or kwama 0826937124 or ba jena the post there under the blog, because the website is stangani. Anyone can write and post. Like under the blog, you can create your own content, and then we only help you with promote, share, and all that. So you can do that. Never wanna social media Nema Wamahunguni, Facebook ndi Nema, on Twitter or vanrapradio_Nema. Music Wamahara about download www.vanrapradiostation.co.za. So Zino, Amara here. Mara here. At the word of the variable veranda. Hey, Corona man, Corona. Until then, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and comment. Then we'll do that. Nda.